2017 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, compass, fog lights, trip computer, heated front seats, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, Sirius satellite radio. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.